Alright, the two bearings, good bearings, are both notchy and crappy. This door here, you got one good bearing and one notchy and crappy. But this equals the best one over there, and this one's nice. Spins nice and free. You can only hear a little bit of notchiness in it. Now this one over here, definitely feel a lot of crap in there when it even wants to rotate. Not the best. Alright, so we're going to use this shifter on. I like the silver one. Doesn't look as hot. You alright with that?
Yeah. They both go on the same transmission, so.
You want this one?
Yeah, that's fine.
It only takes one, not two.
Yeah, the main shaft takes one of those two.
This one's clean, that one's dirty. I don't like orange color. Maybe it's got heat in there, just crappy oil. We don't want to match that. It'd be terrible. Okay, what else do we got? We gotta figure out. I think I'm gonna swap out the two nuts we had because these ones weren't all chewed up like this one looks like it is.
Yeah, because those were two brand new ones.
So we'll need a less anyway. So I think we'll go with those two. And we picked out this fork over there because it had slightly less cosmetic issues. So other than that, it looks like we got everything we need to make it fly. Just got to take this apart, fix it. And this here is the one we're using.
And technically, we could put that shift drum in right now.
I'm thinking that we probably should put it in now.
Yeah, we put that shift drum in right now.
Before.
Yeah.
So it'd probably be easier over there. I don't know if it makes any difference.
Because after that, all we got to do is just slide the dog legs on and then
shove the forks through and it should line up. Before we're fighting it back and forth and dealing with it, so pain in the ass. I'm just looking for oil, I think.
Yeah, just use the already going empty assembly lube.
This one's pretty empty. Plus it's cold.
What did we use to keep that? I think we used assembly lube or some grease or something.
Use grease right over there.
Yeah.
There it is.
There it is.
Wait for it to get there. Okay, we'll let that set up and go in there. I think it's getting empty. It's costing a lot of money, so they get a full money worth out of it. That hurts when it gets inside your finger.
Mm-hmm.
That's the bad bearing, I can tell. Close enough. And no blood on my finger. Good. A couple scratches, but nothing else. Alright, this thing goes over here. I have to open that up a little bit to get that in there.
Bam. That went way better than it did the first time.
This one went this way, because I remember it's full circle on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, before we had to fight these things.
We used a flathead to push the spring back. We did a lot.
There had to be an easier way. Well, this is the third time I've done this, so I'm experienced. We'll put a little Loctite on these. I'm not sure which one these has Loctite in it.
Yeah, they look a little bit old, Tatro. Yeah. You own blue Loctite?
Look at all the Loctite I get everywhere.
Now you're putting crummy blue Loctite on there.
Well, considering this is a small screw under 1/4 inch, it doesn't require
Loctite?
heavy duty Loctite. Is that enough on there for you?
Yeah, I didn't think you owned blue Loctite.
Technically, it's not Loctite. It's what it's called.
Bolt locker?
Thread locker.
Dynatex? Dynatex. Bolt locker.
We're going to use blue. Whoa, jeez.
Yeah, you put a lot on there, huh?
When that comes out, it comes out. There must be some restriction in that tube here. Okay, we used up half that bottle, so I'll charge you for half a bottle. Should be good.
An eighth of a bottle?
Yeah, half. Yeah.
An eighth?
I'll just raise the price, I don't care.
2/4?
We'll just raise it to a more expensive bottle. I'll call it Loctite to be what, 60, 70 bucks a bottle?
No.
Yeah, that's Thread Lock is probably only 25 or 30 bucks a bottle. Cheaper. Yeah, this looks a little easier than last time we did this.
Mm-hmm.
Tight?
This isn't anything but the 8th transmission that you put together.
No, this is the third or fourth tranny, but probably the 5th time trying to make it all go together. But definitely a lot easier.
Perfect.
Not fighting it like I was before. Now, should I forget to put this in, or should I put it in?
You should put it in.
Put it in. Okay. That was this one. Oh, that Loctite over there used. I can use that again, except it's got oil on it. Probably cleaning shelves. There's still got oil coming out of everything. Okay. This is different.
Why?
For the snap ring.
Yeah. Snap ring doesn't hold anything. It's on the other ones
Holds
too.
the gear together.
Yeah, it holds the counter.
That didn't have
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it does have snap.
It just holds that front gear on it, onto the second gear.
Yeah, it's the spring loaded.
Yeah.
Keeps the backlash out of the system. That's what that's all about.
Yeah,
I
and
like
it's
having this Loctite on here.
hey.
I got Loctite on my parts, so I pull them off.
Gotta take clips out. Did you really think you were gonna get away with that?
What clips? Clips in there?
Yeah, those clips.
I just seem to be paying attention. See, I already did one, so I got practice. Yeah, I put that one back together, whichever one it was. Yeah, it was that one.
Yeah, the broken one over there.
I took it apart, put it back together, so I'm already fresh to memorize what I just did. Until I forget. Again.
Okay, now what did you say about having bent shaft? Were we gonna check the run out on that main shaft?
We were?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you said something about having a bent shaft.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, you don't listen to me.
Well, that's why all of these pieces are here.
So you blame it on your not misfunctional third gears on 15 trannies being a bent shaft?
I don't know. Well, I don't know. The problem with it now with the chugging is probably because it was on a motor that had a solid sprocket on it with
What am I doing wrong?
a 100,000 run out. That sleeve just comes straight out.
But I need to take the sleeve. I need to put the gear on it.
Yeah, you need to. Yeah, there you go.
Except this gear is worn out. Those dogs. Is that third gear?
No, I don't know what gear that is.
Grab me one of the gears over there.
That gear looks way better. I can tell that from over there. It's still worn out too. It ain't as bad as that one is though.
This thing's all rounded over.
Right. Yeah, we eliminate that.
That's rounded over.
Yeah, that's gone. They're all nice and shiny.
I don't know why you like put that on.
That's the type of radius you like right there.
No, I don't like that. This one's a lot better. I'm thinking this one's the one to use.
Yeah.
You alright with that?
Yep.
Shit, I gotta take another one apart. I have so many parts out now, I get confused.
Well, don't put them next to each other.
I don't, I'm putting them right here. Now my knee hurts. Go a bit further.
There's clips in there.
I noticed. See, I should have left the other one apart. Until we knew we didn't need any parts off of it. But that might have been that one over there I took apart too. I don't remember.
No, you didn't take that one apart.
I took this one apart.
Yeah.
Did a good job. Doesn't want to go back together. Yeah, it fell right back together, but it won't fall apart.
Mm-hmm. Oh, tell me the story. I've done it once.
Why did we put this back together? Anyway, it's got a bad gear on it.
Mm-hmm. So you knew how it went together?
Oh, I was practicing.
I guess. I don't know. When I took one apart, I took them both apart at the same
That was
time.
bad.
See, that third gear is like $60. You can go get this little third gear right here, about $60 to $80.
Mm-hmm.
You want this big main shaft? You coming out of pocket $250
That ain't bad.
minimum.
That ain't bad for that big gear set.
Minimum. So that's $310. When you go jump on eBay and go get a whole nother transmission out of somebody else's bike
Okay, we
for
want this
about
gear.
$500 to
right?
$600. Yeah.
Okay, we don't want the other gear though.
Yeah, take that last gear off though. Does that last gear come off?
This one?
Yeah.
Why do we need it?
I don't know what's underneath it. I just want to make sure there's everything. Oh, okay, it's a solid fixed gear. Okay,
I think it's solid.
I'm fine with that.
Where's our bad gear?
Where'd you put Round City? Rounded City.
Still got teeth on it though.
Yep.
Put that one back on there. Piece goes on there.
Where's the terrible shift fork that goes right there?
We don't have one.
Which one? Oh, yeah, a short one.
This one was missing. They stole it.
Oh, yeah. That's fine.
Trying to confuse me. See what you're doing.
I'm trying to make sense of it myself.
Confusing me again. Okay, what goes on here next? Washer.
Washer.
Titty washer. Where'd the fixed washer go?
At the front.
Front of what?
Front of every gear.
No, I'm missing something.
What'd you do? You put the washer on, you put the clips on.
Go there? Nope. I don't know where that big black one went. It must go between this one and this one, not this one. Okay.
That big black washer goes up one.
Okay, where's that bad third gear? I'll put it on there to protect the important parts. The washers and stuff. Now the big fat washer goes on there.
There you go. Now the clips.
You thought you confused me, didn't you? This one goes on there.
It's in something there.
That's this piece. This is on backwards. Goes like that. Something's holding that all together. Okay, that's where the clips go. No,
Yeah, you should be putting clips on that gear.
something's wrong. Something's wrong.
You have 2 washers in between there.
There's clips in there though.
Yeah, there's clips. It means the clips, it's not holding the clips together.
Bearings on there. We got clips going there.
Mm-hmm.
We got the gear here where it belongs. So that's good. This holds the clips in.
Mm-hmm.
And this has to go on. And this goes on.
Other way.
The big recess goes over that. And we still got something wrong.
Why you keep saying something's wrong?
The clips there? Oh, the clips are there. Okay. Oh, that's the other one. Where'd I put the big fat washer? There's a plain flat washer. I guess I
Yeah.
already had it in there. I thought this was that flat washer.
Uh-uh.
No, it's all screwed up.
You confused yourself.
I thought that was the one flat, not the one with the titty on it. Or shoulder, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm wrong. Yep. This is the one. I thought this was the one that was flat without the retaining stuff. No, it works correctly. Dumbass doesn't know what he's doing. It's hard to get good help, I'm telling you.
And that goes
Some
on.
people should just never be working on Harleys.
Well, then voila. There you go.
Goes over there. Okay, that's how you do that one.
Again.
All right, cut. Look at that.